Anytime a business emails me from a Gmail, my brain quietly whispers, this feels kinda homemade. And if yours is doing the same, then let's fix it. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to get a professional business email address for completely free using something you probably already need anyway. Let's make your inbox look like it actually belongs to a business. Hey everybody, and welcome back to Website Planet, your shortcut to building a cleaner, more professional online presence without wasting time and money. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss our smarter, faster tutorials just like this one. Okay, now let's talk business emails. If you're still using a personal Gmail or Yahoo address for your business, it's not exactly a great look, especially in 2026. A custom email instantly makes you look legit, organized, and actually like a business. And the best part is you don't have to pay Google or Microsoft for it. And I'll show you exactly how to set up a professional business email for completely free, step by step. Now, here's the myth that most people fall for. They think that a business email is going to cost them a fortune, and that's simply not true. I mean, Google Workspace charges $6 to $12 per user every single month, and if you're a solo founder or just starting out, that can be a hefty bill to swallow. But here's the good news. You don't have to fork out cash for a fancy email service. And I'll show you how to set up a professional business email for free, bundled right into your hosting plan. All right, let's get down to it. The smart way to set up your business email is by bundling it with something you probably already need, web hosting. Most people think you need to pay separately for a business email, but if you grab a hosting plan from Hostinger, which by the way, you're probably going to need for your website anyway, then you can get a business email included for completely free. So let me walk you through exactly how this works. Step one is to pick your Hostinger plan. You'll want to go with either the premium or business hosting plan. Why these two? Well, because both of them come with a free domain for the first year and include an email account for your business. You get all the essentials plus a domain name that actually looks professional. Step two is to claim your free domain. Once you've got a hosting plan, head over to your Hostinger dashboard. In there, you'll see the option to claim your free domain. So just search for the name that you want, and that's it. You've got a domain linked to your business. And by the way, if you want to make sure you're picking the right domain without second guessing every click, then here's a quick video that shows you the entire process. Step three is to create your business email account. Now that you've claimed your domain, it's time to create that business email. Head back to the email section in your Hostinger dashboard. From there, you'll click on Manage under your domain and then hit Create New Email Account. And here's the fun part. You get to choose your email address. Think something professional like info@yourdomain.com or your name at yourdomain.com. Just make sure you keep it simple and easy to remember. Once you've got your address, just set a strong password and hit Create. Then step four is to log into webmail. Now that your email is actually created, let's see it in action. You can either log into your email through the webmail option in Hostinger, or you can set it up on your phone or computer. For now, let's stick with the webmail just to keep things simple. Just click webmail in the dashboard, log in with your new email and password that we just set up, and you're ready to start sending and receiving emails with your new business email address. You can test it out by sending an email to your personal inbox and then reply to it. And if everything looks good, then you're all set. Step five is to use your email in Gmail or other clients if you want to. Now that your email is live, you're probably thinking, can I get access to this inside of Gmail or Outlook? And the good news is yes, you absolutely can. If, like me, you prefer managing everything in one place, then here's how to set this up. In Gmail, go to Settings, then click on Accounts and Imports. From there, click on Add Another Email Address under the Send Mail As section. Enter your new email address, again, maybe your name at yourdomain.com, and when it asks for the SMTP settings, here's what you'll want to use. The SMTP server is smtp.hostinger.com, which is port 465. And then the username is your full email address, and the password is the password that we just set up earlier. Once that's done, Gmail will send a confirmation email to your new business inbox. Just click on the link, and now you can send emails from your business email address inside of Gmail. Now, if you're using something like Outlook or Apple Mail, the setup process is just as easy. Go into your email settings, add a new account, and input the IMAP and SMTP server details Hostinger provides. You'll find these in the email settings section of your Hostinger dashboard. Step 6 is troubleshooting common email issues. Even though you're now operational, unexpected issues can still pop up. Don't worry though, here's a few quick fixes. Issue number 1 is if emails aren't showing up in your inbox. First of all, check your spam folder. Sometimes legit emails will land there, especially at the start. Double check the email address for typos when sending. Mistakes do happen. Issue number 2 is your email keeps bouncing. Make sure your domain's MX records are set up correctly. These are crucial for email delivery, and you'll find them in your Hostinger dashboard. If you've just set up your domain, it can take a few minutes for the records to fully update across the internet, so do be patient there. Issue number 3 is your emails are marked as spam. Try to avoid spammy subject lines, too many links, or using all caps. It's a classic mistake. You'll also want to set up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records. Hostinger has guides to help you with all of that. These are going to help authenticate your emails, making it less likely that they'll end up in someone's spam. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Let's do the math. If you were to buy all of these services separately, things like the domain, hosting, and a paid email plan for your business, you're looking at hundreds of dollars per year, right? But with Hostinger, you're getting all of that bundled together for the price of just the hosting plan. The domain and the business email come included. That means you're not paying extra for email services every single month. You've just saved yourself some serious cash, and now you look like a pro without breaking the bank. So just like that, you've gone from side hustle to serious business. You picked up your hosting plan, claimed your free domain, set up your business email, and now you're sending professional emails that won't make you look like you're still figuring things out. It really is that simple, and honestly, you've just leveled up without a high price tag. But now that you've got that domain and business email, it's time to build that website. You're not done yet, right? Well, don't worry, you can head over to our Hostinger website builder tutorial that'll walk you through creating a website for your business in no time. You've got the email, you've got the domain, and now let's get your website looking like it belongs to a real business. If you have any questions, feel free to drop those down in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And of course, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Website Planets and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future uploads and tutorials. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.